Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make a single crochet decrease for any given project. I'm gonna show you how to make it at the beginning of the row, middle and end of the row. So in any start of the row I'm gonna chain one for the single crochet, and then I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 and 2. So 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and then I'm gonna continue as normal, 1 single crochet in every stitch. If I have to do it in the middle of the row, I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and that's an increase. And then I will continue my work. And here in the last stitch at the end of the row, I'm gonna make again 2 single crochet, and that's an increase. So that's how you do 2 single crochet in the beginning of the row, 2 single crochet in the middle, and 2 single crochet at the end, depending on the pattern you're following.